Now that we have discussed what poems are, what are the parts of poems, and also different examples of poems, we're going to discuss Who Am I poems, so that later on in the module, you will be able to write your own Who Am I poems. A Who Am I poem follows a specific structure. That means each line has very specific instructions. And when you follow those instructions, or when you follow that structure, these poems allow the author to express their emotions, feelings, dreams, and senses. They allow the author to introduce themselves. So, here is an example from a teacher named Miss Young. You'll notice that in each line, she shares specific information about herself. I will read it once all the way through. Then we will talk about what each line contains. Miss Young, adventurous, kind, passionate, ambitious, enjoys swimming and dancing, feels creative, powerful, driven. Wonders why I am not a mermaid, fears rats and heights, cares about my family and the world. I can love and learn. I dream about being a writer. I want to make the world a better place. I wonder what I will be when I grow up. So in each line, she followed the prompt. Line 1 was her name. In line 2, she wrote 4 words that described her personality. In line 3, she wrote 2 things she enjoys. In line 4, she wrote 3 things that she feels, and so on and so on. This is one example of a bio poem. Now, you will complete an activity to further understand and read Miss Young's Who Am I